Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN vivofit Junior 3 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Keep holding the button until you see the GARMIN logo on the screen, and after a second or two the watch will turn on. And once you turn on the watch, you will need to download and install the GARMIN Junior application on the phone you want to pair your watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Google Play Store, tap on search, type in GARMIN Junior and tap on search. You should see this application, GARMIN Junior. Tap on the install button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. After the application opens, you will need to log into a GARMIN account, and to do it you can tap on sign in with GARMIN Connect, or if you don't have an account you can tap on create a GARMIN account to make a new one. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, check the box and tap on next. Now I'm gonna enter the email address and password, so give me a couple of seconds. And then I can tap on next to log in. And after you log in and you don't have any family connected to your account, you'll be asked to create a new family or join existing family. If you have a family you can join, you can tap on join a family and join it. I don't have any, so I'm gonna tap on create a new family, scroll down and tap on I agree. And here we need to answer a couple of questions to prove that we are adults. And we have some questions like this. And once you prove you're an adult, you can enter the family nickname and the location if you want to, but this is optional. And then you can tap on next, then tap on continue, and now you can add the profile for your child. So you can change the photo if you want to by tapping on change photo, and you can take a photo with the phone's camera or select it from the phone. You can change the nickname for the profile, for the child profile. You can set the bedtime and wake time, so basically when the child goes to bed and when it wakes up. Like that. Then you can set the birth rate and gender, but these options are optional, you don't need to change them. And once you're done, you can tap on save. Then we can select the avatar for the profile and tap on save, and the background color and tap on save. Okay, and here we have our profile and a kid. You can add a new one if you want to by tapping on the button, but I'm just gonna tap on continue. Then as you can see, we can set up a new device. To do it, tap on start setup, allow the permission, go to your watch and press and hold the side button until you see the Wi-Fi icon on it. This is the pairing mode, so let's wait, and the app should detect the watch. Tap on yes, allow the permission, enter the code from the watch, here we can change the display text. Apparently there is a limit for letters, so write something you like. You can also enable the privacy option if you want to, and then you can tap on next, select the watch face, then tap on next and select the steps icon and tap on next. Now we can slide on the slider Oh, never mind. This is the setup process, my bad. And this is just a progress bar. Never mind. Then tap on continue. And as you can see, we're done with the setup. You can tap on pair more devices if you want to, or tap on exit setup to go to the main page of the app. Tap on get it. And here we have our profile. We can tap on the child's profile and we can see the statistics for. We can tap on settings and here we have more options like the watch face for our watch icon. We can set up alarms and stuff like that. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.